Okay, so now we're going to manipulate this equation a little bit, okay? Part two is this, okay? In your notes, write this down. We're going to convert grams to moles, and then we're going to plug it in, okay? So we're just going to add one step on the front end. So we're just going to convert grams to moles, and then we're going to plug it in. Convert G to moles, and then we're going to plug it in. You guys are really good at converting grams to moles, all right? So this is a little bit more practical. Flask contains 85.5 grams of sucrose in 1 liter, which is sugar. What is the molarity? Okay, so what I can't do is I can't just do this. I can't just say, okay, I'm just going to plug in 85 over 1. You can't, 85 over 1 liter, 85 grams over 1 liter. You can't do that. It has to be in moles and it has to be in liters to plug it in to our final equation. Sound good? So what we have to do is we have 85.5 grams of sugar. So it's C12H22O11. I need to convert it to moles, okay, of C12H22O11. All right. So what I want to do is basically just our first bracket in stoichiometry, okay? 1 mole goes on the top, and then X grams goes on the bottom, all right? So what is X grams going to be? It's just added up, right? And when I add it up, I'm going to add up 12 carbons, 12 carbons. So 12 times 12.01 plus 22 hydrogens plus 11 times 16 oxygens. So I'm going to get 342 grams in 1 mole. Okay, so how I got that number right there is I took C11 or C12 H22O11 and I added it up, right? So 12 times 12.01 plus 22 times 1.0. You don't have to write this down if you know where you got it from. Okay, plus 11 times 16. Okay, and that's 342.34 grams. All right, so the first step then is just to do the molar mass bracket there, right? So I'm going 85.5 parenthesis 1 divided by 342.34, okay? And I'm going to get 0.249 moles, all right? So now we got a number that we can plug in, right, Motez? Okay, so what I got is that number to plug in. So how I do that then is I say, okay, that can go there, right? And then I say I got 1 liter, right? So the 1 liter then goes on the bottom. Big M then is going to be 0.249 over 1 liter. Okay, which is 0.249, right? Divided by 1. So that's the thing. Okay, so our answer then is the molarity is 0.249. Big M. Final answer. So the only step that we're adding is this right here off the top. Okay, we're adding this step, this conversion. Okay, flip the page. Okay, let's see if we can do the next one. Okay, if you dissolve 36.5 grams of MgCl2, okay, what is the molarity? Well, if I have grams, I have to convert it to moles of MgCl2. Mg is 24.301 plus Cl is 35.45 times 2, 95.201 grams for every 1 mole. Okay. So then I plug it in, just go 36.5 parentheses 1 divided by 95.201 I'm going to get 0.38 moles. Okay. Then what do I do after that? What do I do after that? Just plug it in, right? So after you solve for the moles, all you got to do is plug it in then, our equation, okay? So I plug it in. It's going to be 0.38 divided by 5. And I got 0.76 big M. Bam, bam, bam. Okay? Thumbs up. All we did was add a little step in front, right? And that's how we're going to make Kool-Aid, because it makes more sense for me to say, hey, Regal, go get me 36 grams. Dissolve it in 1 liter. What's the concentration? That's easy to do, right? .38 divided by 5. There is a 0, Regal. You are correct. Sound good? All right. Last thing for the day, and then we'll play some games, okay, or something, is just do part 2 on your enrichment there, okay? Sound good? Bam, bam, bam. 3 problems. The answers are on the board. I'll walk around and help y'all. That is that. Good job. Thanks for bearing through that, okay?